Hi, this is an AP Chemistry video on 15.4. We are going to solve this problem, and this is someone is dissolving 0.01 moles of an unknown weak base in 100 milliliters of water. Kind of doing a little drawing here. And we're going to titrate it with a strong acid. The strong acid is 0.1 molar nitric acid. So after 40 mils of the 0.1 that's been added, the pH is 8. We want to calculate the Kb. So there's a couple ways to do this, but I'm going to say B is my base plus the acid, and that's going to make a conjugate acid. I'm going to do the stoichiometry here first. So I have 0.01 mole. And I'm going to convert this into millimoles. You don't have to do this, but I want to just keep everything in millimole. So that gives me, and this is the before the reaction has happened, that gives me 10 millimoles of base. And then the acid, you can see in the question, you're using 40 mils and it's 0.1 molar. So you'll have 4 moles, or millimoles, sorry, of hydrogen ions. And none of the weak acid at the beginning. After the reaction, you can see that the hydrogen is going to be our limiting reactant and run out. So we'll have 6 millimoles of the base, 0 of the hydrogen, and then we'll have made 4 millimoles of the weak acid. I'm going to calculate the molarity of the base by taking those millimoles and dividing it by the total volume, which is 140. So we had 100 to start with, and then we added 40 more mils. And I'm going to calculate the molarity of the weak acid similarly. So I can do this one in quite a few different ways. I want ultimately to get the Kb. So I could use Henderson-Hasselbalch equation and calculate the pKa, and then I know that pKa plus pKb equal 14. I'm going to do it with thinking about the weak acid is controlling the pH. So what I'm going to do is find my problem. I don't know where it went now. Oh, I added the page to the wrong part. Here we go. So I can use the pH that's been given to calculate the hydrogen ion concentration first. So the pH is 8. So the hydrogen ion concentration is 1, 10 to the negative 8th. And I can write out the equilibrium of the weak conjugate acid is going to react with water, and it's going to form hydronium plus the base. My Ka expression would be hydronium times the molarity of the base over the molarity of the weak acid. So I can sub in now my molarity of the hydronium, times the molarity of the base. Sorry. Keep hitting something on my page. 429 all over 0.0286. So my Ka is 1.5 10 to the negative 8th. So my Kb is going to equal Kw over Ka. So 1.0 10 to the negative 14th over 1.5 10 to the negative 8th. And that will give me 6.7 10 to the negative 7th is my Kb. So the other option would have been to use Henderson-Hasselbalch. I'll just show it to you. If you're not interested, you can definitely quit watching. But we could substitute in, we know the pH was 8, so I could solve for pKa, which is going to equal pH minus the log of the base over the acid. So 8 minus the log of the base molarity was 0.0429, and then the acid was 0.0286. It's hard to read up here, isn't it? So if I do that, I should get the same answer. I'm going to crunch it quick. So I end up with 8 minus 0.176. And that gives me a pKa of 7.82. So then maybe this is a longer way. So then I know my Ka is 10 to the negative pKa, which would be 10 to the negative 7.82. I think this way is longer. And I get my Ka value is 1.5, 10 to the negative 8th. And then I would solve for Kb the same way. So I don't know which way is best. Either one works. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions in class.